Are you tired of hunting for the right music for your videos? With Adobe Firefly's Generate Soundtrack feature, you can easily create professional sounding AI music that perfectly matches the vibe of your video. Simply upload the video that you need a soundtrack for, and AI will instantly analyze the mood, energy, length, and pacing to create custom royalty-free music that brings your videos to life. In this Firefly-sponsored video, I'll demonstrate several examples of the music generation workflow so you can see this powerful AI feature in action. So let's head over to Adobe Firefly and go over how to generate soundtracks with AI. So here's the Adobe Firefly homepage. The first thing we're going to do is go over how to access the Generate Soundtrack feature. To do this, let's look at the menu on the left-hand side and go to the Generate tab. Here's where we can easily generate media on Firefly, including images, videos, and of course soundtracks. Under the recommended features section, you should see an option that says Generate Soundtrack. Let's click that to open it up. And this should take us to the soundtrack generator on Adobe Firefly. Here's where we can use AI to generate professional sounding music for our videos. You can also generate music without a video, and we'll be going over how to do this as well. At the top of the menu on the left here, we have our prompt field that will contain keywords that describe our song. Once I upload my video, you'll notice these automatically change to match my video's mood. So to test this out, let's use the next section here to upload my video. I can simply click the upload video button and find and open up the video that I want to add music to. AI will then start analyzing your video to create a new prompt. For this example, I want to see if I can generate a soundtrack for this epic explorer video I've been working on. And once AI finishes analyzing your clip, you'll notice the top description box is now filled with keywords that are related to your video. For my explorer video here, it thinks it should create a peaceful and reflective song with an ambient and atmospheric style for a landscape or nature purpose. I think that sounds about right. But if you wanted to customize your prompt even further, you can easily do that as well. If you scroll down the left-hand side menu here, you'll see various sections with prompt suggestions for your soundtrack. In the vibe section, for example, you can easily click to select new keywords to use for your video's vibe. And if you want to remove a keyword, simply click the X in the prompt field up top. And if I wanted to add my own custom vibe, I can easily do this by describing it using the option here. For instance, I could type in spooky, click enter, and it'll be added to my prompt field up top. But spooky doesn't really match the vibe of my video, so let's remove it. But not only can we customize our video's vibe, but also the style and even the purpose of our video. My Explorer video looks kind of like a movie trailer, so let's add trailer to my purpose. And underneath this, we can also select our soundtrack's energy and tempo. For my video, AI thinks it should have a low energy with a medium tempo. But if I like, I could easily change these as well. And at the very bottom, you can adjust the duration of your soundtrack. It's already been adjusted to the exact length of my uploaded video, but I could easily change this if I like. And to generate my short 13-second soundtrack, it'll cost about 4 credits. So now that I've uploaded my video and customized the vibe, style, purpose, and other options, let's go down to the bottom of the menu here and click the Generate button. AI will then analyze my video and my prompt settings and start generating my soundtrack. This should only take a few seconds, and once it's finished, you'll have several soundtrack options that you can select from. You can now preview the various tracks and select the one that sounds best for your video. For my video, I think I like track 2 the best, so let's play it and see how it sounds. Not bad. I think the music matches the vibe of my video perfectly. So let's download my new soundtrack by clicking the 3 dots icon at the top right of the track. This will display a menu where we can select to download the video with our soundtrack or download the soundtrack only. Let's click the first option to download my video with the soundtrack and video combined. My video will then be downloaded to my device, and with universal licensing, I can now publish my royalty-free soundtrack on my social media brand page, my website, or anywhere else I like. So for the next example, let's remove my Explorer video here and upload another video with a different vibe. And as soon as I select my video, it'll be analyzed by AI. For this example, I have a video of a rocket ship blasting off. And after analyzing my video, AI recommends a soundtrack with an epic, awe-inspiring vibe, an electronic and cinematic style made for a trailer or documentary purpose. And of course, we can use the options underneath to customize our prompt any way that we like. Feel free to customize the vibe, the style, the purpose, the energy and tempo, or the duration. And once you're finished selecting the options for your soundtrack, go ahead and go down to the bottom and click the Generate button. And AI should then start generating your soundtrack. This will take a few seconds, but once it's finished, you'll have multiple variations to select from. Also, if your video has sound, you can choose to mute or play the sound using the mute toggle here. So now, let's play the various tracks and see which one sounds best for my video. Feel free to check out all the generated tracks, and if you can't find one that you like, feel free to edit your prompt and generate more. For this example, I think I like track 2 the best, so let's play it and see how it sounds. Wow, that's definitely an epic sounding soundtrack. So let's go to track 2, click the 3 dots icon, and download my video with my new soundtrack. So we've gone over how to use AI to instantly generate soundtracks for our videos. But what if you wanted to generate a soundtrack without a video? Luckily, with the Generate Soundtrack feature on Adobe Firefly, we can do this as well. So let's start by going to the menu on the left-hand side and remove my rocket ship video here. Also, in the text field up top, let's click the Clear Prompt button to remove the default keywords. And there we go. Now I can create a soundtrack from scratch. So to create AI music without uploading a video, we simply need to describe the soundtrack we want using prompts. For this example, I want to generate a soundtrack for this image here that I want to use for a social media ad campaign. So to generate my soundtrack, let's start by selecting my music's vibe. First, let's select some of the suggested keywords that best matches the vibe that I'm looking for. From the options here, I think I'll go with upbeat and funky. And to get the exact sound I want, let's add a custom vibe as well. To do this, I'm simply going to go to the Describe a Vibe option, and let's type in Urban Cool. And as you create your AI song, feel free to remove words or adjust your prompt as needed. So I have upbeat and urban cool for my vibe. So now let's continue down the menu and go through the same process for my song's style and purpose. And for my energy, I think I'll change it to high. And for my tempo, I'll stick with medium. And since I'm planning to use this AI song as background music for my online ad, let's just have a short duration of 15 seconds. And once you finish customizing the prompt for your soundtrack, go ahead and go down to the bottom and click the Generate button. AI will then analyze my prompt, and after a moment or so, I'll have several soundtrack options that I can select from. I can now preview each option and select the one that I like best. And for my online ad, none of these options sound quite right, so let's adjust my prompt and regenerate my tracks. I can now preview my new tracks and see if any of these are a good fit. From the options here, I think I like track 1 the best, so let's play it and see how it sounds. Not bad. I think that'll sound great for the background music for my ad campaign. I can now click the 3 dots icon at the top right of track 1. And since I didn't use a video for this example, I only have the option to download the audio soundtrack. So let's download the soundtrack to my device. I can now create a social media ad campaign for my products that features attention-grabbing music. So that's a quick overview of how to create AI music using the Generate Soundtrack feature on Adobe Firefly. To try it yourself, go ahead and click the link in the video description to access Firefly. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.